In this video, I'll show you how to wire up addressable RGB LEDs in a daisy chain, explain which types work, and walk you through getting them running with some simple code. For daisy chaining, you'll need addressable LEDs such as the WS2812B, WS2811, SK6812, PL9823, or APA102. These are special because each LED has its own tiny microchip inside, letting you set the color and brightness of every LED individually. Each addressable LED has 4 key connections: 5V, ground, data in, and data out. Power and ground are connected in parallel to every LED so that they all get the same power source. The data line is different. It's connected in series. Data out from one LED goes into the data in of the next LED, and so on, for the entirety of your chain. The first LED's data in connects to your microcontroller. This could be an Arduino, an ESP32, or even a Raspberry Pi. In my case, I'm using an Arduino Uno, with pin 9 connected to the very first LED's data in. Here's my first example, a chain of 4 WS2812B LEDs on a breadboard. The 5V pins are all linked together, the ground pins are all linked together, and the data line runs from the Arduino to the first LED, then LED to LED to the data out data in connection. I also made another chain of 8 LEDs on a perf board using the exact same wiring principle. On that one, I soldered the wires so that the power, ground, and data connections stick out, making it easy to plug them into a breadboard for testing. Now, how does the data actually work? Your microcontroller sends a stream of bits down the data line. The first LED reads the first 24 bits, 8 for red, 8 for green, 8 for blue, sets its own color, and then passes along the rest of the data to the next LED. That LED does the same, reading its chunk and forwarding the rest. This continues down the chain. That's why it's important to have the LEDs facing in the correct direction. Data can only travel from data in to data out. For coding, I'm using the Adafruit NeoPixel library, which handles all the tricky timings for you. After including the library and creating a NeoPixel object, you set the pin number, the number of LEDs in your chain, and the LED type. Based on your specific LED, you should uncomment the appropriate lines from the example code in the description. From there, you can call strip.setPixelColor to set an LED to red, or loop through all LEDs to create effects like rainbow, fades, or chasing. When you're ready to update the actual LEDs, you call strip.show, which sends all that color data down the chain in one go. Once you understand the wiring and code, scaling up is easy. You can daisy chain dozens or even more hundreds of LEDs. Just remember that more LEDs means higher current draw, so you might need a separate power supply for big projects. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and subscribe for more content.